everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now today's video is going to be pretty short and quick. I have just recently started getting into, as you can see from behind me, essential oils. I just started over maybe 6 weeks ago, and I got my first little box from Cratejoy. And for those of you who don't know what Cratejoy is, it is a website that has all subscription boxes. You could go on there. If there's a subscription box, it's probably on Cratejoy. But that's where I found this one. And they had a special offer for 99 cents for your first box. And what they do is they send you 4 essential oils. So I'm like, okay, well, I want to try this. And so I went ahead on Amazon. We'll leave the link down below where I found this on Amazon. I believe it was only $14.99. So with my first box and this little diffuser, I have enjoyed this greatly over the past month. Even my husband is enjoying this. We believe it is helping us with our sleep, and it's not a super strong, overwhelming smell. It's very pleasant and it is soothing. So we are finding that it does have some properties to it. So I went ahead and I said, okay, send me a second box. And for this box, I just received it, and this is $9.99. And every month they're going to send me 4 brand new essential oils. I don't know what they're sending me, so it's like a little surprise. So I'm going to go over, here's the little card. It gives you a detail of everything that's in here, and it has a little saying on the back. And I wanted to read this. It says a pro tip on how to Zen Out. And I just read this and I thought it was so appropriate during this time of everything that's going on. It says, and the people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played games and learned new ways of being and were still and listened more deeply. Some meditated, some prayed, some danced, some met their shadows, and the people began to think differently. And the people healed, and in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses and made new choices and dreamed new images and created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they had been healed. So I thought that was kind of beautiful. It was written by Kitty O'Mara. I don't know who that is, but I just thought that was beautiful. And you can find more at shopbluzen.com. And these are 100% pure oils, no synthetics, and they are never tested on animals. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the first one that I got sent this month. And some people are a fan of this smell, or you're not. I happen to fall on the side that I'm a fan, so I'm excited. This is a symbol of romance and passion and beauty, and the harmonizing essence of rose promotes feelings of love, hope, and joy. The ingredients in this is rose absolute, orange peel oil, geranium oil, and natural oils. So that is the first one. And here is the second one. I cheated and opened this up last night, and me and my husband smelt this as we were going off to bed, and this is called Sweet Dreams. And this is seductive essence of cedarwood, gardenia, sandalwood, and amber envelop the senses in this dreamy elixir. Ingredients are lavender oil, cedarwood oil, eucalyptus, sandalwood, patchouli, petitgrain, tagirs. Oh, they're getting some creative words going here. Vetiver oil, and natural oils. And we did sleep good last night, so was it because of that? But I'm starting to become a fan. Okay, and here's the one I have burning in my diffuser right now. And this is called Refresh, and it is early morning, so I was like, this is perfect. This is vibrant and refreshing. This amazing blend of sweet orange, mandarin, and lemon essence help infuse the mind and body with energy and good vibes. The ingredients in this is orange eel orange oil, sweet almond oil, mandarin oil, lemon oil, orange peel oil, and natural oils. And as you can guess, my room is very citrusy right now. Okay, and the last one we have not tried yet, and this is the Eucalyptus. And this true to nature scent promotes mental clarity and relaxation with this fresh, oh my goodness. Woo, let's try this again. This true to nature scent promotes mental clarity and relaxation with its fresh, airy, and distinctive aroma. And the ingredients are eucalyptus oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary oil, thyme oil, and natural oils. Okay, so this is the 4 oils that I received this month. I am happy. Can't wait to see what I am going to get next month. We have been using our first box so much that we have a little bit of 1 bottle left, and it was a lavender oil. So can't wait to share my next month's box with you. If you guys are interested in trying BluZen essential oils, like I said, this is $9.99 once a month. You receive them in the mail. That's $2.50 a piece, free shipping. And I think that's a pretty good deal. And I'm just having so much fun with these right now. So head over to Cratejoy if you've never tried it, and your first month will only be, I believe, 99 cents if they still have that going. And yeah, if not, you can go to their website, which is BluZen.com. Okay, I hope you guys are doing amazing, great out there. I know a lot of people are starting to go back to work now. So I hope everyone's doing great out there. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.